Water. So simple, so essential. Every day, millions turn on their taps, never questioning the clean, safe water that flows effortlessly. But behind every drop is an unseen network of experts, tirelessly ensuring its purity. However, it's becoming increasingly harder to keep up with the demand for clean water. Populations grow, infrastructure ages, and as contaminants become more complex, the need for faster, easier, clean water has become more crucial than ever before. The path for clean water may look very different if we do not continue to innovate solutions around the challenges of tomorrow.
Potable water is nothing short of a miracle. You travel anywhere in the United States and you open a tap of water and you put a glass under it and you can drink it and you're going to be okay. Intuitech's part of that is we manufacture what we call pilot equipment. It's used in research and development and project planning so that before government organizations build full-scale facilities, they can demonstrate that whatever the unit process is that they're about to build full scale works from a water quality standpoint. The water industry is about protecting public health. Larger demand of water quality has increased across the United States, across the world, as the amount of contaminants that we're trying to get out of water increases, and utilities are responding to that, figure out how to do that. We're building more and more projects. Intuitech takes a very different approach to piloting. Our approach to piloting is we develop fully automated systems designed to be run autonomously and remotely. In our ideal pilot, you're only showing up to a site if the chemical needs to be refilled or a water quality sample needs to be taken. All of our skids come with an ability to control the entire thing from a single control panel. We have small miniaturized chemical feed systems. We have water quality instrumentations on a filter quality. These are turbidimeters. Turbidimeters are being tied into the control system and telling the filters when they need to backwash. Because we're Intuitech, we put a level transmitter on it, and then the level transmitter allows you to come into here to see your chemical system, and you can actually see how much chemical is left in your system. This is really important if you're running a pilot 50 miles from your house, because you can say, wait a minute, I have 2 gallons of chemical left and I'm using a gallon a day. I don't have enough chemical left to make it over the weekend.
This automation ensures efficiency of time and resources and at the scale required to address our imminent water concerns. However, keeping up with the challenges of tomorrow are not just about the scarcity of water. It also involves the scarcity of a manufacturing workforce to actually leverage this technology.
The workforce of tomorrow is going to have a lot of challenges. Manufacturing as a sector needs more people coming into it. We need more people that want to be manufacturers. And technology is how we make that job a little less onerous than it was 50 years ago. I want everybody to come to Intuitech and know that their work matters. Matters to the communities that those clients are trying to solve the drinking water decisions for. For the type of fabricators and the type of engineers that we have, it creates a home. As technology and the practice of manufacturing kind of align, it'll be easier to attract, retain, and entice talent to be part of this community.
The future of water is unfolding day by day. Companies like Intuitech are leading the way by integrating cutting-edge automation, which ultimately is delivering rapid solutions and saving countless tax-paying dollars while inspiring the future workforce of tomorrow. But as population is estimated to grow by 1 billion people over the next 10 years, what next innovation will help to match our growing thirst for water and our growing need for future automators in the manufacturing workforce.
My industry of the future is where we can take these human capital and we can marry them with technology and equipment that allow them to do their job faster, safer, and have more personal satisfaction of what we're doing. So there's a lot of challenges, but the water industry will rise to meet them. We will be successful. There's a lot of things that we cannot today innovate out. But when the tools and the capabilities that we can use to assist our human fabricators are such that everything that was kind of a pain in the butt to do, we've innovated away. Let's take these good, amazing engineers that exist out there and let's set them up for success the best we can so that they can really go out and tackle the questions of tomorrow from a water treatment standpoint.